Well, I don't know where time goes, but all of a sudden, we're at the end of the year. This, in fact, is the last video for 2025. Since we're at the end of the year, I like to take a kind of a recap, a look back, you might call it, at my top 5 favorite projects from 2025. I'm Jeff. You're watching Home Built Workshop. This is fun. I like doing this kind of look back. Make sure you stick around. What's going on, everyone? Welcome to this episode of Home Built Workshop. I hope all of you are doing awesome. I cannot believe we're at the end of the year, but it is in fact time for the yearly recap of the top 5 videos from 2025. To me, this feels like a time of year when there's so many things going on, so many other obligations, that I really do enjoy taking a few minutes to reflect on achievements, on projects, different accomplishments, things we've done throughout the year, and just reflect on all that and sort of celebrate the little wins maybe throughout the year. I've assembled here a very crudely handwritten note with my top 5 videos. I just sat down and went through all of the project videos on the channel, and I've sort of assembled what I'm calling my top 5 favorite projects. Just for some clarification, these videos are only my favorites. It has nothing to do with what was the most popular video or the most viewed video or anything like that. It's just my personal favorites, just some of the ones that I really enjoyed doing and getting these things done. This list is in no particular order, and starting out, number 1 is going to be a project that you can see in every single video, and that is going to be, bam, the Sandpaper storage cabinet. This Sandpaper rack makes my list because, well, it just made such a difference in organizing all of my sandpaper. I now have super easy access. Everything's nice and neat and tidy. I know what I have, what I don't have. Keeps it really organized. It was a great addition to the shop. Man, it turned out cool though. That's great. Should have done this 3 years ago. My second pick for favorite projects is another one that you can see in the background of a lot of videos. And that's going to be building this little frame for the silver YouTube play button. This one is a favorite, not so much because the project was so in-depth or so complicated and fancy, but more so because it represents a major milestone that the channel hit in 2025. This was the year that the channel hit 100,000 subscribers, which is super awesome. And for that, I'm thankful to all of you that are subscribed to the channel and helped make this silver play button possible. My third pick for favorite video was going to be the giant hat rack that I made several months ago. I feel like this one makes the list because, well, it was kind of challenging, not because of the complexity, but because of the size. It's hard to work on anything with any sort of length in my little shop. I also really like this one because, well, it just works great and it looks cool hanging up in the home. The fourth pick would be the hand-forged hoof pick that I made for my daughter from an old door latch thing. The little door latch thingy, technical term. This project makes the cut because, well, it turned out awesome. This is a project she uses very regularly. It gets a ton of use. It looks awesome, and we can call it hand-forged because we did heat up the metal and forge it using a MAP gas torch. My fifth pick is going to be the video where I restored this 125-year-old wooden hand plane. This is a Union Manufacturing hand plane. The thing that I enjoyed the most about this project, other than getting an old tool working good again, was really learning the history, finding the different clues that were buried under years of dirt and rust. We were able to discover that this is made by Union Manufacturing, and even based on some of the markings, we could figure out really how old it was. This is just super cool to restore. I love the history, discovering some of the past in an old tool like this. Plus, it looks cool too. I mean, just look at it. I've got one more project to add to the list. This one comes in as kind of a bonus and an honorable mention, and that is this guitar string height gauge using this dial indicator and a 3D printed base. This one gets honorable mention because I really haven't had time to use it yet. I just finished it up, and in fact, I'm still kind of tweaking the design just a little bit to try to make it even more useful. This is one of those projects that I've just wanted to own for quite a while, and now that I finally have one, I'm super excited, and I can't wait to put this thing through its paces. So there you have it. There's, I guess, my top 6 projects of 2025. There's going to be links in the video description to all of these. Maybe you haven't seen 1 or 2 of the videos, or maybe you just sort of forgot about that one. Go back down there, you can watch all of them, get a little bit of a refresher. What I want to know from all of you is, what was your favorite project or favorite video that we did here on the channel in 2025? Head down on that comment section and let me know what your favorite was. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I really appreciate all of you watching the videos, liking the videos, commenting, hitting that subscribe button, all of the things. I'm so thankful for each and every one of you, and I am super excited and looking forward to 2026. If 2025 was this cool, I can't wait to see what 2026 is going to bring. Thanks a lot, everyone. We'll see you next time.